I'm sure all of you at some point in your life have been scared to try something new, like meeting new people, going new places, or learning to drive. But if you have the courage to face your fears, it is often rewarding. From this experience, I learned that you should, if you're scared to try something new, you should face your fears because it is often rewarding. So don't let your fears stop you from trying new things. 2 years ago, my family took a vacation to Bermuda, which is an island on the Atlantic Ocean. And one of the days we were there, we went on an excursion to go helmet diving. Helmet diving is somewhat like scuba diving, but in scuba diving you wear a wetsuit and you have like an air tank to pump air. But in helmet diving, you go underwater in your swimsuit and you wear this giant helmet that weights you down to sink you, that it's open at the bottom, but no water actually gets into the helmet, so you can breathe normally in it. So once we got on the boat, we took off to go out into the ocean, and while we were riding out, the captain showed us what was going to happen, and we signed papers in case anyone got hurt, which kind of scared me. I was also scared about thinking about going to the bottom of the ocean because I had no idea what to expect. And I was nervous about the helmet because I didn't understand how you could breathe normally underwater. And I also was scared that my ears would hurt really bad from the pressure of going down so far. So once it was our group's turn, you would climb off the boat and the helmet would be set on your head and you'd let go and you'd just slowly sink down. We went down probably about 12 feet to the ground, and once we were down there I was not near as scared because when I took a look around, it was so neat to see all these plants that you've never seen before and fish. So when we were down there, we knelt on the sand and held onto this rope to keep us steady. And the captain used note cards and pictures to tell us what all these things were because you couldn't hear underwater. And the fish were all really friendly because the captain always goes to the same place, so they're used to being touched by humans. And we got to touch lots of fish and take a picture with them. It was really neat to have all these fish swimming around us and to see their underwater city. We were underwater for about half an hour, and once we got back up, you just climbed back up the rope and your helmet was taken off. And once we were all done, I was really glad that I had the opportunity to do this because not many people get to experience anything like this in their life. So from this experience, I learned that I need to not be so scared to try new things because I don't want to miss out on something that could be great. So don't let your fears stop you from trying new things.